Climate change is real. It is happening right now. It is the most urgent threat facing our entire species, and we need to work collectively together to stop procrastinating. We need to support leaders around the world who do not speak for the big polluters and the big corporations.
For the sake of life on this beautiful living planet, I ask you to stand on the right side of history.